Set within the exclusive and highly sought-after coastal community of Del Mar sits 517-519 Camino Del Mar. This property offers a rare investment opportunity to have the ultimate coastal California lifestyle. Walking distance to the beach, to the village of Del Mar, all the restaurants, shopping, the relaxing trails of the coastline, this place has it all. This 2-unit twin home with identical floor plans has been fully remodeled in 2022 with the finest modern finishes. The stunning granite countertops, clean white cabinetry, and state-of-the-art appliances make for the perfect entertainment space. Host gatherings in the cozy living room with an electric fireplace that creates the perfect ambiance. You can feel the ocean breeze from the spacious and private outdoor patio with ocean views, making it the perfect space to entertain guests. You can walk your dog down the street to the local pet store, grab a morning cup of coffee, or visit the Del Mar Farmers Market, all within close proximity to your front door. With Torrey Pines Hiking Trail just a few minutes away, your outdoor adventure opportunities are endless. Each unit is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, with 1,120 square feet. Both come with a 1-car detached garage, and both have expansive ocean view patios. This area is one of the hottest and most desirable for vacation rentals. The possibilities are endless. Live in one and rent the other, or rent both. In one of the most sought-after communities along the Southern California coast, this is truly a unique opportunity that won't last long.